Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Bee Cave, Texas, which is just slightly outside of Austin, and we are looking at a disappearing fountain on a very large home where they can't seem to keep the water from bleeding through the wall and coming in from the bottom of the structure. Down here at the bottom of the structure is actually leaking as well. You can see all the swimming pool equipment and the machinery and even the ceilings. Water is coming through. Why? It's because some places have tie holes, some places have metal wire coming through, other places you're looking at shifting. So what did they do? They did what they always did. Tried foam, they tried injections. The cracks started moving, so they tried a cheap brand of waterproofing, which is not waterproofing, by the way, it's damp proofing, over in the back part of the wall. And what it done is it made the problem worse. As you can see, water is actively dripping through the wall, not through from the PVC, but through the wall. And algae is now growing, and I've been told that it's been happening multiple times. You see these cracks? It's shifting. This wall was stucco. This is what it used to look like. And it has been done multiple times. So what they've done is they chipped out all these areas for us so we could actually get back to the wall. And you can see, look at those holes. Let me zoom in so you can see it a little better. Look at that. These holes should have been covered and sealed. What they did is they did the back of the wall, as you can see, which is not leaking. And then the side wall where the swimming pool is, they didn't do any of these things. And let's go downstairs below the deck and look at what's happening. And as you can see cracks, breaks, and then when you get directly above the swimming pool area, you can see where water is actively running through the wall, and same algae all the way across. And that disappearing fountain, which is a beautiful upstairs, the last thing it should is be in the backside. The area's been done so many times that the homeowner, before they gave us a call, actually felt that they were giving up on solving the problem in this home. I usually don't show videos that much on general repairs, but just like I'll tell you here, if you like our videos, click the like button. And you have some questions, we will shoot some video. We had some people asking in the past, what would we do if there was a swimming pool that was leaking from above and around it? So we finally made it out here to take a look at it for them. So now that we've seen it, let's get busy and put something together.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.